Hey guys, so how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to film part of my Wasted Wednesdays series, and I feel like I kind of like left you guys in the dust with that. Like I introduced it and then I just kind of like not like forgot, but kind of like ran out of ideas essentially for the series. I know like a lot of workout videos. That was weird. I know like a lot of like workout videos were requested, like shoulder day, arm day, stuff like that, but like in my head I'm just like, how many of those can you see without being like tired of them? Do you know what I mean? Like how many of those videos can you like go seeing and then just being like, fuck dude, like they all like seem the same. So I'm trying to be like a little bit more creative, but I mean I will eventually get to like the leg day, the arm day, the shoulder day videos, and so it's all good and dandy. But today's video is a how to make cardio suck less. I think I have a total of 7 things that I come up with that help me get through my cardio sessions. Now, I feel like we all know now that I do bikini shows or bikini competitions, so my cardio gets brutal at some point during my prep. Like at some point during my prep I'm on that fucking machine for what it feels like days. So the first thing is homework. So I know that when I was getting certified, I actually start school tomorrow, so this is going to come in more handy, but just like reading, because like professors will be like, read the entire book today, and you're just like, I bet. So what helps me get through cardio is bringing my book to cardio and then just like lay it out in front of me and then get through the reading that I have to get through. Next thing I know, it's time for me to get off the machine and cardio is over with and done with, and I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. You feel me? Also, just like books in general, I have my Nook. BRB, let me grab that. So I have my Nook. This is what it looks like. I have the Glow Light Plus. I think it's like the champagne-y hue. Of course I had to get this color because it's pretty. Also my nails look like shit, but don't mind that. Anyway, it's dead right now, but you can also like buy books on here and it's super dope. And if you're super into your book, next thing you know, you need to get off the machine. The last book I read on here was Why Men Marry Bitches. It's a good book. Recommend it. Also, if you guys have any books that you recommend for me, leave them in the comment section. Next is DJ sets, and if you're like into EDM, like sets in general will get me through my workout, because the sets will be so fucking lit that I'm like trying to like headbang on the Stairmaster, like knock myself out. The person next to me is like, what the fuck this bitch doing? And I'm like, true, we're all very confused. But I have some sets that I would like to share with you guys, so I will try to link them down below, but I don't know if I can. But these are all on SoundCloud, and SoundCloud is free. So I have GTA EDC Las Vegas 2016. That's 1 hour and 14 minutes. I have GTA EDC Las Vegas 2017. That's 59 minutes. Slander EDC 2017 was fucking lit, and that's 1 hour and 7 minutes. And then we have Shredder's Winter Break. That was 55 minutes. Bro Safari and etc. etc. That's 30 minutes. Bro Safari and etc. etc. Remember Season Volume 2. This is lit. This is like 36 minutes, but it's kind of like that like Spanish vibe. So if you don't like that, you won't like that. Slander EDC 2016, lit. And then recently, actually, Excision put like, I think it's Lost Lands 2017. That's a 2-hour mix. Like, yo, that's gonna get you to like a couple days of fucking cardio. So that's lit. I also like to listen to these sets while I work out. And then, so I have a few more things here. So podcasts. A couple months ago, I think I posted on my Snapchat something along the lines of like, learn while you burn. Essentially it's what it is, like burn calories, learn some shit. My favorite podcasts include the Motherfucking CEO, and that's on Spotify. I don't know if you have to have Spotify Premium. I do, but I don't know if you need that to listen to that. But that one's good. I'm pretty sure there's like other places you can listen to it. I just listen to it on Spotify. SoundCloud, I like to listen to Amanda Bucci's. She was like the first person that I listened to when I listened to podcasts. I know Brittany Lesser launched hers. I haven't listened to it, but I am subscribed to it, so I plan on listening to it as the prep goes on, because I'm gonna need shit to listen to. But it's called The Female Perspective. And there's one called Gymwits on Spotify. It's not my favorite, but if I have nothing else to listen to and, you know, I'm not feeling any type of music or something, I'll listen to that. But it's definitely not my favorite, but it's also there, and that's on Spotify. So podcasts are like a good way to like learn new things, but also like make time go by faster. Those are like my favorite type of things to do. Along the same lines, motivational speeches in like YouTube, if you just type in like motivational like gym speech or whatever, like that shit will get you through your workout. And there's some that are like an hour long, ideal. Next on my list is just YouTube videos. Go through your subscription, pick out some videos, add them to like a little like playlist. I have one that's labeled cardio, so I will bring my phone, I'll bring my headphones, I will set my phone on my for me the Stairmaster, but I mean whatever you want to use, and just push play, and then it'll play like video after video, and it's lit. Like you're. So as I'm editing this, I totally forgot to mention Netflix. You can definitely just download the Netflix app and just watch a movie or a TV show that you love, and then next thing you know, you're done with cardio. You're watching your like content creators and you are like getting through fucking cardio, you know, getting lean, mean and shit. Also, I have two ones that kind of go together but not really, but I'm gonna put them in the same category. It's like online shopping. I know it's like not like what you think of when you think of cardio, but me personally, like if I know that I have to buy like, for instance, like stickers on Etsy, like I will get on Etsy and then just browse that shit for until I find all the stickers I need for my planner. Or if I'm looking for new gym clothes, I will get on like on Nordstrom or wherever I'm buying my gym clothes, and I will browse that until I find something. Or if I know that I want new shoes, I will get online, browse for new shoes, and then see if they're available at the store that I want. You know what I mean? So that, along with just games. I know it sounds lame, but I recently got off social media, except this. But my social media platforms are on hold right now. I'm just trying to focus and gather myself, and I find that I do that best when I take a break from social media. So this is my only social media platform, so if you guys have me on here, you guys get me while nobody else does. But because of that, I have been more into games lately, so I'll show you two of my favorite ones, and you're probably like, wow bitch, hella sponsored, but no. This one's called Stack. And it's a dope game, and like you just essentially like have to stack the things until you lose. I'm actually not that good of it. I like lose often. My high score is like 2. Like just kidding, but not. And then I also like Word Connect. This one was just like on an ad, like while I was on like fucking Instagram or something, and then I clicked it and then I got hooked. And it's essentially like you just make words from words. So I don't know. Super easy. You should probably get into it. You just like literally make words. I've actually been stuck on this one for like a couple days now. So if you guys have any like random games that you guys like to play, leave them in the comment section down below. Interested. But yeah, those are my 7 ways to get through cardio or make cardio suck a little less. Always remember that cardio is just as important as like strength training or just regular like lifting weights. You always want to do at least a little bit of cardio, even if you're not trying to shred down. Just, you know, good for your like health, like, you know, aerobic health. Like it's good for your just overall health, just to do a little bit of cardio. Like even if you're trying to gain, like warm up like on super low setting, just like walk a little bit or something. Like it's good for you. Anyway, that was the end of this video. If you guys have any other ways to get through cardio, let me know down below. I am interested. I love you guys so much. My next video will be a get ready with me for the first day of spring semester, so stay tuned for that. And then after that, I'm thinking glute activation. Y'all let me know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.